Welcome everyone in today's video. In this video, we will learn some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not forget like and subscribe. Okay, let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is मला यातलं काही समजत नाही. I don't understand about this. I don't understand about this. मला विचारू नको. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. मला सांगू नको. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. आपण हे एका दिवसात करू शकतो. Can we do this in one day? Can we do this in one day? मी काय करू शकते? What can I do? What can I do? आपण प्रयत्न करू शकतो. We can try. We can try. सगळे इथंच आहे. Everything is here. Everything is here. सगळं विसर. Forget everything. Forget everything. जणू काही ते एक वाईट स्वप्न होतं. As if that was nightmare. As if that was nightmare. ती मंद आहे. She's dull. She's dull. तिला कळायला पाहिजे होतं. She should have realized. She should have realized. ती अचानक बदलली. She changed suddenly. She changed suddenly. मला ते नाही आवडलं. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. तुला काय वाटले? What do you think? What do you think? मी पाया पडेन. I will beg. I will beg. हे कधीच होणार नाही. It will never happen. It will never happen. नेहमी लक्षात ठेव. Always remember. Always remember. मी आजारी आहे. I'm sick. I'm sick. मी तिला पाहिले. I saw her. I saw her. जेव्हा ती माझ्याकडे बघत होती. When she was staring at me. When she was staring at me. तो तक्रार करत होता. He was complaining. He was complaining. कारण त्यांनी काम वाढवले. Because they increased work. Because they increased work. मी तुला परत भेटणार नाही. I will not meet you again. I will not meet you again. मी इथे परत येणार नाही. I will not come here again. I will not come here again. मी तिकडे जाऊ का? Shall I go there? Shall I go there? हो. Yes. नाही. No. मला माहित नव्हतं. I was unknown. I was unknown. ते खूप लांब आहे. That is too far. That is too far. हो, मला माहित आहे. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. तिने तिचा हक्क सोडला. She left her right. She left her right. तू यायला नको होतं. You should not have come. You should not have come. तू काय करत आहेस? What are you doing? What are you doing? चाललंय उद्याचं नियोजन. I'm doing tomorrow's planning. I'm doing tomorrow's planning. हे कोणाचं आहे? Whose is this? Whose is this? ते पण माझंच आहे. That is also mine. That is also mine. हे नवीन आहे, ते जुनं आहे. This is new. That is old. This is new. That is old. खूप छान आहे. It's very nice. It's very nice. Hearty thanks for watching this video. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care. Please make sure you have subscribed this channel if you haven't already. Bye and take care.